Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel and to my returning chat partners. I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video, I will be taking my daughter to see our dog, Princess. We have had Princess now for 15 years. Princess was a birthday gift that I got for my daughter when she was 11 years old. She is now 26. Princess was sick and she was in the hospital and we was able to go see her. Guys, I only added a couple of clips to the video because it's a very, very touchy and very, very sensitive situation. And I just wanted to share just a little bit of it with you guys because Princess is my daughter's dog and she has been a part of our family for a very, very long time. It was a touch and go with Princess. Thank goodness she pulled through. This is the second time that we've had this particular instance with Princess when she was sick and it was touch and go. The first time Princess was sick, she had to have emergency surgery and she was in ICU for a few days. This time it was something different. However, we are glad that we still have more time with her. And yeah, guys, so this video is just a day in my life. And it's a real thing, especially when you have fur babies, you go through things. But however, we was able to pull through and get through everything with Princess as a family. Thank God she is still here with us and we love her very much. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you all so much for watching.
A small vanilla ice cream cone, dip cone, and I asked for a small cup. It's not like the Ema ice cream cone. In a cup.
Okay, beautiful people, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you all so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, Dionne's Life, Make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can receive alerts for each and every time I upload and become a chat partner. I'm wishing you all out there a peace of mind because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.